The composition of outdoor soils can range drastically depending on the region and history of the soil profile. It can range from loamy sandy soils to dense hard soils. Though the soil can vary, the central idea of watering is the same. Outdoor gardens should be watered about every 1 to 2 weeks depending on the soil type and environment. Water slowly with as much consistency as possible. When water is applied too quickly, it tends to puddle up and collect in the lower parts of the garden. It ends up accumulating in those areas and does not provide an even distribution amongst the plants. When water is distributed slowly and consistently over the garden, it will be absorbed better. This can be done with the average garden hose sprayer, but the most efficient way is with some sort of irrigation, such as a drip line or sprinkler system. The key is providing enough water delivered slowly to ensure that the moisture is reaching 1 to 2 feet into the soil. Healthy outdoor plants have deep and expansive root systems. Providing moisture at deeper levels will encourage the roots to grow as far as they can.